A tropical cyclone is a rapidly rotating storm system characterized by a low pressure center, a closed, low level atmospheric circulation, strong winds, and a spiral arrangement of thunderstorms that produce heavy rain or squalls. The huge waves caused by the storm can flood coastal towns and cities. The high winds cause lot of property damage and human loss by flattening homes, knocking over the trees, and tip over cars. In this video, let's see what preventive measures can be taken during the cyclone or hurricane season. Without any further delay, let's start today's episode. Hello aspiring Sarvagnanis. Welcome to my channel. Check the condition of your house. Secure loose tiles and get your doors and windows repaired if needed. Remove any dry branches or dying trees close to your house. Pack an emergency kit with battery operated radio, spare batteries, torch and first aid kit. Always keep some dry, non-perishable food that can be used during emergency times. Pack essentials for yourself and your family, including medication and special food for babies and elderly people. Switch off the electrical mains in your house. Remain calm. Head to the proper shelter or evacuation points indicated by the authorities. Do not worry about your property. Follow the instructions of the person in charge of that shelter. Do not leave the shelter until you are informed to leave. Keep monitoring the warnings by your local authorities through television, internet or radio. This would help you prepare for an emergency. Pass the information to others, but do not spread rumors and create panic. Stay away from damaged buildings. Seal important documents in a plastic bag and store them securely in the upper floors to minimize flood damage. Stay away from the windows. Keep some windows closed and some open so that the pressure is maintained. Avoid corners and stay at the center of the room. Hide under heavy furniture and protect your head and neck with your hands. Avoid large roof spaces such as auditoriums and shopping malls during the storm. Disconnect the power supply for all the non-essential equipment and tools. Store drinking water and non-perishable food that can be consumed without cooking in a clean and secure place. Do not attempt to drive or ride any vehicle during the storm. Do not attempt to move the injured people unless it is absolutely safe to do so. This may cause more harm. Remain in the shelter until informed that you can return to your home. Stay out of floodwater. Do not use a wet electrical device. If there is no power, use flashlights instead of candles, as they might catch fire if there were any gas leaks during the storm. Prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Stay away from the damaged buildings and power lines. Protect yourself from stray animals and pests. Take care of your wounds or injuries to prevent infection. And now the fact of the day. Throughout this video, I have used hurricane and cyclone interchangeably. But what is the actual difference? Hurricanes, typhoons and cyclones are all tropical cyclones with wind speeds reaching 74 miles per hour, that is 119 kilometers per hour or higher, and are classified based on the origin of the storm in the world. In the North Atlantic, Central North Pacific and Eastern North Pacific, it is called as hurricane. In Northwest Pacific, it is called as typhoon, and in the South Pacific and Indian Ocean, it is referred as tropical cyclone.